Hey everyone, so you decide to become a web developer. For that I want to say congratulations because you made the right decision. And the first thing you need to learn as a web developer, no matter what you want to become a front-end developer or a back-end developer, is to learn HTML. Because HTML is the backbone of every website we build. And in order to build websites, we need a few tools. So without further ado, let's jump in and see what do we need. My name is Ayman and I'll be your instructor in this course. The first tool we need is a web browser. In my opinion, Google Chrome is the best web browser for web development. So go ahead and download it. You can search for Chrome and you find it in the first link. You can download it from here. And the second tool we need is an IDE. So go search for VS Code. It depends on your system. In my case, I use Debian Ubuntu. So go download the version that suits your operating system. Okay, so now we have Visual Studio Code and Google Chrome installed in our machine. Let's go and open Visual Studio Code. When we first open Visual Studio Code, we can see the welcome page. Here we can see that we can create a new file or open a file from our computer or open a folder. Let's close this window. The first thing I want to show you is the tab extensions. Go ahead here. I have a few extensions that are already installed. The first one I want to show you is Prettier. This extension, we need this extension to help us organize our code. So go and install it. The second extension that I want to show you is Live Server. This extension will help us launch a local server in our machine with a live reload feature for static or dynamic pages. The third extension I want to show you is GitHub Themes. Install it and choose the right theme that you like. Okay, now we have our extensions installed and everything is working fine. Let's go to the Explore page and open a folder. Okay, you can create a new folder. I'll name it HTML and hit open. Yes, I trust the author. We can click here and create a new file. Index.html. For now, I'll leave it empty. One last thing we need to do is to set our default formatter. We can do that by going to the settings from here and search for default formatter. From here you can choose Prettier. Okay. One last thing we can do in order to save us some time while we write code is this, auto save. Go choose after delay and set the time to like 500 or 300 or 200 milliseconds. Okay. And that's it. Now we have everything ready for us and we are ready to start learning HTML. So I see you in the next slide.